Good morning, nursery class. Today is day 9, and our topic is again counting in numbers. Today we write 11 to 20. You make your copy like this, and you don't left one box. You write 11 to 20 here, and you write it again. There 11. This is this in this box. You write 12. 13, 14. 3 times you write 14, 3 times you write these numbers. So your page number, this is done, and you write also date and CW. This is your classwork, and you do this page. This is your homework. Same. This is your homework. This is CW and this is HW. जो आपने क्लास में काम किया है, ये 11 to 20 यही आपका HW होगा. आपने अच्छी तरह से इसको लर्न भी कर लेना है स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू.